Hello everyone, I'm Justin Mott and I'm here today to review an amazing bag here. It is the Wotancraft Trooper series. This is a size medium. I already called it an amazing bag, so I guess I gave it away already. I love this bag. I absolutely love this bag. Full disclosure, I am sponsored by Wotancraft. I do a lot of work with them, but honestly, you can trust me dear to the heart. This is my favorite bag that they've made and I have worked with them for years and years and years. This bag is so cool and I'm going to tell you why, and I'm going to tell you about why I love the versatility of this bag. I'm going to go into all the cool features, and this is my bag of choice. I use different bags for different things, different situations. Yet to find one bag that I can do everything with because I shoot a lot of different stuff in my photography, but this is my personal project bag. I'm using it for my project. You see some of the pictures back here, my project As Above, So Below. I won't bore you with that. That's not boring, it's interesting, but I won't give you all the details of that. I'm not here to promote that. I'm not here even to promote this bag. I'm here to just talk about this bag, and what I like about it, what I love about it, and sort of explain to you the features. So here, what I use it for right now, for my personal project, my kit here for my project is I use a Hasselblad X1D, a 90mm lens. All the lenses are Hasselblad. The XCD series, I use the 30mm lens and the 45mm lens. Now it's a camera bag, sure. It's also an everyday bag. So it has these, has the interior slots here. You can take them away, you can fold them out. They've made some upgrades there, and they're past bags if you've used them before. This fits very nicely in here. I can fit the camera body in here, both lenses. For this system, camera body with one lens on it and two lenses off to the side fits perfectly. If you had a fourth lens, I would upgrade to the one of the larger size. They've got a new feature here with the magnetic flaps here, so you can sort of easy access, open and close. Obviously, their cool buckle system, their aesthetic is gorgeous. The reason I like this too is, I love the aesthetic of the Hasselblad, the X1D, the way it's made, and I feel like this camera bag actually matches that quite well. I want a bag that matches the look of my camera. I didn't buy the camera just for the look, but I do like that part of the Hasselblad. I like the look, I like the design, and the same with this camera bag as well. Some cool features here. It's got the handle in the back. Sure, all of them have that, but these little things are important. They've made some upgrades here to the shoulder strap. It's detachable if it falls apart. The old ones weren't that great. New ones, a lot more durable, a lot more comfortable. Love the canvas strap here. Leather, as always, they use premium leather, premium canvas. You can find out all the information on the website, www.wotancraft.com. But some cool features here. You got the nice stretch pocket here for easy access, things you want to get out closely. It's also sold separately as the modular system here. Velcro is kind of nice. You can add these things on. It's got a pouch here, or you can have a zipper one. I keep my headphones in here, memory cards, things like that. Open and close. This inserts nicely in here. Right now, it can have an iPad Pro 10.5 inch can fit in there, but I also can fit my MacBook Pro 13 inch nicely into this system here. This little insert, you can carry this around. It has a nice little thing there. Slides right in there, you can fit it easily. I use it two ways. So when I'm not carrying, I keep my iPad with me when I go on my project, or my laptop tucked in there. It can get a little bit heavy, but bag itself isn't heavy, just the laptop and the gear. But normally I have the two separate. I don't have my laptop. I usually keep my laptop at home when I'm shooting my project. But when I go out for everyday stuff, have the camera out, I take the inserts out, keep all this stuff in here. A lot of other cool little features in the back here I'm going to show you. Some hidden pockets. Love stuff like this. I'm really into stuff like this. These little hidden pockets here they hide. You wouldn't even know they were there. I've had stuff stolen from me on buses, on planes where people reached in when I wasn't looking, so this can hopefully defend against that. One on each side, kind of nice. The small, you can fit some small things in there if you're going for a swim, put your watch in there, your ring, whatever you need to. Another little feature is nice. Kind of people don't think about this stuff, but this little bit here you can take off. You can hang this on your handle for your roller bag at the airport. I travel a lot. That's important to me. So nice room inside, beautiful look to it. I love the fact that you can wear it. It's comfortable. It sits nicely on your back. On my fat ass, it sits nicely there. Overall, it's just a really versatile bag. Again, I use it every day when I'm going to a coffee shop, and I use it for my personal project. It's stylish. It doesn't necessarily look like a camera bag, but it very cool look to it. Very nice aesthetic. It fits in with the Wotancraft sort of rugged, outdoorsy sort of look, but in a cool, hip way. So, sorry I'm sweating today. AC is not working here in my office. So, great bag. I definitely encourage you to check it out on the website, www.wotancraft.com. Trooper series bag. Again, comes in different sizes. This is the medium size. Love it. Overall, very happy with this bag. It's my new favorite bag in my whole kit, and I have tons of bags. For more reviews and more tips about photography, you can go to www.askmott.com, and you can follow me on all social media with the hashtag or handle AskMott. Thank you guys for tuning in. I hope you learned something today about this bag, and I encourage you to go out there and buy it.